So we have discussed a lot about AI, generative AI, right? So you must be thinking we all are more focused about the testing and automation part, how we can manage or use AI into that. So yes, we will jump into it. I will give a little bit of more idea about how why basically this generative AI is taking this much of use things, and what are the tools and technologies that you should focus now so that you can pace up with this AI changes in testing world, right? Remember always that it's not like you have an option to read about AI or not. It's not an option anymore, right? You have to read about AI and all, right? Before that, let me try to give you an example. There is a $1 million question in everybody's mind, right? That does AI is going to replace our testing jobs? So the answer is no, it is not going to replace our testing job. Rather, there will be a significant headcount reduction, right? Headcount reduction will happen. We cannot ignore that, right? When we will learn in this session, you will figure out that okay, there are a lot of tasks done by QA or automation folks, which can be means easily done or quickly completed by AI. So maybe if there is 10 QA resource now, there will be maybe a reduction of 2 to 3 resources, and the entire task will be done by 6 to 7 QA folks. But it's not like it will completely replace. Okay, so what we cannot control, right? We cannot say that okay, stop AI. We cannot do that, right? So what's option we have in our hand? We should learn AI and start using it. Right, that's the smart solution, right? We cannot always complain that okay, don't bring new things, right? We cannot do that. So what we need to do, we should learn those technology and see that how we can use AI. So before our job will be at risk, we are well equipped both with the testing expertise and AI knowledge, and we know that okay, where exactly we can use those AI. Right. So I hope I have answered the $1 million question. Okay.